we're going to go over the actual steps to making a trade step by step. First, in the community, you'll see a watch list. So in the swing trade channel, you'll see swing trades, which swing trades is holding the contract for a day, 2 days, 3 days, a week, 2 weeks, multiple months. So it's holding the contract for a long period of time. That's what a swing trade is. Then you have day trades. In the day trade, I post daily levels for multiple assets. We have been doing ETFs, which is the SPY, which is the QQQ, the IWM. So these are the day trade watch lists. What the watch list consists of is price levels and what we anticipating that stock price to do at those levels. Reading off this SPY, if it break and hold above 740.89, then we'll look to buy a 740 call contract. Best entry area is to let it bounce from the 740.89 and you get in it at the 740.95. Tells you it has room to make new high levels. It also tells you a price value, also gives you a price level to get out. So if you're getting in it at 740.95 and you're saying it's going to go up to 741, 742, if it goes against you under your 740.95, you want to give it at least to 740.45 before it's not going to go up. Let's get out of it. Let's take our loss. That's what a stop loss is. So that's what the watch list consists of. Few price levels and what we are looking for that to do at the price level. If it reject and hold under this level, then we look to buy puts. If it break and hold above this level, then we buy calls. That's what the watch list is and does. Let me take you to how the watch list gets made. We have our chart. Trading view chart is extremely important. This allows you to see that asset that you're looking at. We're looking at the SPY to the top left here and what price is doing at price levels. So we pull this in. This was today's levels that we were just going over on the watch list. And this was one of the levels that if it broke above it, then it was going to continue up. It did that. And if it rejected under it, which it did, it would had right here where it could come to. And if it held above this, then you get in for a call that it will go up. It did that. So we do this prior the market opening. So we have an idea where the market price wants to go, whether that price wants to go down and we do puts or that price wants to go up and we do call contracts. That's the importance of a chart. And this is the hour time frame. Definitely watch the beginner's video on the chart and the time frames. It's important. And then once let's say we had this top level here at 740.89 and we said if SPY, let's go here because this was the best entry for a call. So we had 2 entries to go buy a call contract. Best entry was here at this 736.11. We had on the watch list at 736.11 because it was pre-market low. Let's go check the watch list because it bounced and held above this 736.11 price level. And the watch list should have told us if it bounce and hold above the 736.11 price, then go buy a call contract that it will continue up. So let's go check that. So for SPY, 736.11. So SPY, again, we look, this is May 13th, says SPY. If bounce and hold above 736.50, not 11, but it said 736.50, then I will look to buy a 736 call. Best entry area to get in it was 736.55. That's the level you would want to go buy the contract, the 736 call contract. And it told you it had room to test 740.89 or make new highs. And your stop loss was 736. So it told you if it bounced above 736.50 and hold, go buy a 736 call contract. You get in it at 736.55 because it held above 736.50. So that was spot on. We go back to our chart to see it in 736.50. I'm going to mark the 736.50 level right here. I'm going to change that to a black line. So it said if it comes to the 736.50 and hold above, then you go here and we're going to go and buy the 736 call contract. Once it did that and held, then you was to come here. This is E-Trade. All the brokerages are slightly different in user interface, but you go to the trading here on E-Trade, go to the options, and we want to see the options chain. If you do not know what that that is, make sure you go to check out the options chain. All right. So that's where you go to buy your contract. We come here. I just opened this account for the new challenge, $500 to 5K challenge. We have the options chain over here. All right. View options chain 4 said we would go buy a 736 call contract. So 736 is right here. And this is the call side saying that the price will go up and we will buy for the ask price. Okay, so this column. Okay, so they're asking $679 for this contract right now. That's because SPY has went up and now its current price is 742. So that was yesterday's price, the 736 that we said it would go up to. It did that and more. So that contract now is $679. When yesterday we could have bought it for $100 and maybe $50. That's what we do. Come here, purchase that contract, click the ask price, let it go into our purchase. We do a limit price that we want to buy that contract at the $679 price and nothing more and nothing less. And that's a kind of a catch-22 because if the price is going up because that stock actual price is going up, so that contract price is going up. You saying I want it only at the 679 and now they selling it for 680 and your transactions just sit in the queue. So it's important to make sure your transaction has been executed. Good for the day. Or you can do the market price. Market price is whatever they're asking at the time to execute your price. So you could have saw it for $679. And if you click the market price, they're going to execute you whenever they get to you. So it could be $690, right? So I like to do it. So that's what we're doing in a nutshell. We're getting the levels in the stock and its price and what it does at the level. Then we come to our brokerage account and buy that contract via the options chain, get in that contract, and we watch to see the price of that asset we are interested in, do what we're saying it's going to do. And that returns money on our